Robinson, and this is the 6th grade mathematical curriculum course. Today's lesson, we will be multiplying and dividing integers. On the previous lesson, we went over adding and subtracting integers, and I gave y'all the key principles for adding and subtracting integers. This time, I'm going to give you the key principles on multiplying and dividing integers. There are only two basic principles to remember. You have to know that two common signs will give you a positive result. So two positive integers will give you a positive result, and two negative integers will give you a positive result as well. Two uncommon signs will give you a negative result. So if I reiterate, two positive integers will give you a positive result. Two negative integers will give you a positive result. A negative integer times a positive integer will always give you a negative result. And again, a negative integer times a positive integer will always give you a negative result. If you understand these rules and concepts, it will be impossible to mess up or get a problem incorrect. So just practice on these examples with your own problems. If you need a worksheet, any assistance, you can contact me for that as well. Similar rules apply for division. If I have two negative numbers and if I divide them, that's going to give me a positive result. And of course, two positive numbers will give me a positive result. Uncommon signs, if I divide 24 by -6, I will get a -4. And if I divide -24 by +6, I will still get a -4. Two uncommon integers, meaning a positive and a negative integer, will always give you a negative result. Dividing a positive integer by a negative integer will always give you a negative result. Dividing two negative integers will always give you a positive result. And of course, two positive integers will always give you a positive result. If you work on these principles, you can't mess up at all. That concludes the 6th grade mathematical course. If you need a worksheet or any type of tutoring, I can be reached at unityservice216@gmail.com, at unitytutors216 on Instagram. Thank you. You have a blessed evening.